Register buttons. To access the register buttons, you would click Register Buttons. And as you can see, the departments are no longer visible and we're given a couple options on screen. Non-inventory is used to ring up items not in the inventory. You can also use it to add text to a transaction. Price levels. Price levels modifies the price level during a transaction. It's typically used for special customer pricing, i.e. senior citizen program, or if you have a frequent shoppers program. You can see we have a number of other discounts. You can apply a dollar or a percentage discount to a particular line within the sale, or you can apply a percentage or dollar discount to the entire sale. We also have a tax exempt button that allows you to control exactly which lines are tax exempt. We have a no sale button, which would just open the drawer and allow you to make change. And then we have return sale, which handles all just returned items. We also have a separate button for exchanges. Then we have special orders. We also have a place for you to make customer payments here if you've been using the customer account function to charge sales to particular customer accounts. You would be able to take care of that and make a payment from here. Next, we'll go over the Manager menu. To access the Manager menu, click on the button marked Manager Menu. As you can see, we have some options that weren't available to us prior. We have Set Up Buttons option, which once you click this, you can go and modify any of the buttons on your screen by text, text color, the size, what kind of picture you have associated on that button, as well as the color. Right. Security. You can modify your security options from within the Manager menu. We have two separate types of security within Storekeeper. There's password-based security and level-based security. You can view customer transactions, whether you've put a quote out there, whether you have an order on layaway or a special order that you don't normally have in stock. You can also adjust customer accounts as well as make payments to customer accounts that you already have on file. Inventory transactions. You can transfer in and return and receive inventory from the Manager menu here. You can reprint receipts. Lost sale. The lost sale button you use to record when a customer has come into your store and asked for an item that you do not carry in your inventory. For example, they wanted a particular item in blue and you only carry it in green and red. You would record the item that they were looking for and couldn't find within your store here, and it's a good way to keep track of what people are searching for that you may not already have on hand. We also have buttons for return, sale, and post void. But the day-to-day process that you'll be using most from within the Manager menu is the Shift Closeout button. And we're going to take a quick look at that right here. Okay. As you can see, we have your standard tenders, cash, check, and customer charge, as well as our other tenders, including all of our credit cards, as well as employee purchase and issuing and redeeming gift cards. If we touch cash, now if you're the clerk, you would count the bills, coins, and rolls, but you would only be counting the quantity, not the amount. You'd have two ones and it tallies the total for you. You'd touch OK. And you do the same thing for each of these transactions. You'd enter the subtotal for the amount of checks that you took for the day. And for our credit cards, you just enter the subtotal for the day. It would list the amount of Visa transactions that you've done for today, and you'd enter the total and it would add it up. As you can see, once you tally everything, you touch OK, and the shift will close out. It'll print off a report and ask you to sign in. Alright, that does it for this particular video. Thank you very much for attending, and we'll look forward to next time.